If you're trying to open any design or any file on Canva app but you are being told couldn't open that, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this error. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, so if you're doing this while using your app, then try and see if you can do the same on a web browser. Log into official Canva website and see if you'll be able to open. However, if that fails and you are using a web browser, also try and see if the app works. But should this fail on both and you're using an app, then first check and then see if you're using any VPN, turn it off or uninstall it, as this might be the reason for your issue. However, if that didn't work, then go to settings on your phone and troubleshoot the app by going to apps, and then under apps look for manage apps option or all apps option. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, just search for the app by name. So I'll search for Canva, then tap on it to open, and here go to force stop and okay. Then go to clear data and clear cache. Okay, finally clear all data. Now restart your smartphone. And if you go back to your Canva app and now go back to your phone and look for Google Play Store or App Store, search for your Canva app, and here you want to update your app to the latest version in case we have an update. Once this is done, now your app should open without any issue. However, if you still get a challenge while trying to open files or designs, then most likely Canva might have experienced an internal server error. For that, you'll need to be patient and try logging in after some few minutes, then try performing your tasks, and now everything should be okay. So let me know which of these was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.